I suffered a huge inferiority complex when I began freelancing. When I heard about content writers who claimed to have a full pipeline and made retention projects, I was like, really? How do I do it? The answer is simple. You need to be the client's favorite writer. Once you become one, they will never want to replace you. And how to do that? By becoming easy to work with, by delighting the client. Let me explain how. Always undercommit and over deliver. Do not do the opposite. Check everything they ask for in the brief, even if it is not exactly how you would do it. If you have an opinion worth sharing, then tell them without sounding intimidating. Always deliver on or before the deadline. Set your internal deadline to at least a day before the actual deadline. Any day, remember this, an amazing work delivered late is always inferior to marginally good work delivered on time. Make your writing interesting. Your clients are fed up of reading the same old drab content. Spice it up a bit and you will see how it works wonders. Remember all their pet peeves. Yes, clients have their pet peeves. They don't like, say, Arial font, they need it in Times New Roman. Well, make it happen. Small ask, but big returns. Give them a little extra. Read their blog. Give them some internal links. See how amazed they are when they find you did it. Put their priorities above yours. For example, if you think it's good to go with a semi formal, friendly voice for the article, but your client thinks it should be sounding ultra formal, just give it to them. Give them what makes them happy. Becoming your client's favorite writer isn't just about delighting their readers, it's about making them happy individuals too. What do you make to do your own clients happy? Tell me in comments. Thank you.